Do you want to learn how to say animal names in Spanish? Come on, let me show you. A cat is pronounced el gato. Meow. Oh, look at that cute little kitty. Look at that cute little gato. Ooh, what about a bear? You pronounce it el oso. Ooh, that's a big bear. Big oso. Ooh, what about a rooster? That's called a gallo. Cuckoo. No, that's not a chicken, so he doesn't lay eggs. Oh, I know what about a dog. That's called a perro. Woof, woof. Oh, look at the cute little puppy. Oh. Oh, what about a duck? That's called un pato. Quack, quack. Oh, look at the pato. Oh. Hey kids, send me a video of your favorite animal and what sounds it makes, and we will post your videos on our channel. Bye!